In my 17 years in real estate, I ran across so many property owners that feel trapped by their homes, by their investment property specifically. A lot of them are older, and what they tell me is, hey, look, I would sell my property, but since I've owned it for such a long time and it's worth so much, I'll get taxed by the government too much, and I just can't sell the property. They feel trapped because they don't like dealing with tenants anymore. Their rents aren't the best. They're always spending money on maintenance, and their cash flow isn't what they expect it to be as property owners. So I was never really in a position to help them just because I didn't know how I could help them until now. I found a new way that a property owner in that situation could sell their piece of real estate, not have to buy another piece of real estate, and avoid paying capital gains tax. Okay, it's something that's used by the ultra wealthy. Not a lot of people know about it, and it's a way to increase your cash flow. And I've seen it double to triple somebody's cash flow after they sell the piece of real estate. It allows them to leave a legacy for their children, which is cool, and it allows them to continue to grow their capital investment in the property. We're going to be hosting a free event. It's a 2-hour event. It's entitled How to Sell Real Estate Without Paying Capital Gains Tax. Again, it may not be for you, but if you know somebody who has owned their real estate for a long time, it's highly appreciated. It's for them, okay? So it's a way to, again, sell your property while creating growth and a legacy for their family in the future. It's going to be held Thursday, March 7th. There's a couple of wealth strategists that are going to be accompanying me, a CPA that's going to be accompanying me, and then that way you can really understand how everything works and how you could sell your property and not feel trapped by it anymore. See you then.